Welcome to the construction update of Mayfair Virar Gardens, Cluster 6, for the month of September 2024. Building 34 is moving ahead with the first slab successfully completed. Building 35 has completed its ground floor, bringing your dream home one step closer. Building 36 and 37 has completed full RCC along with flooring till the 15th floor. Building 38 has made significant progress with its fourth slab now finished. Building 39 has completed the second slab and construction is advancing at full speed. Building 40 has reached a major milestone, completing its 12th slab. Building 41 stands tall with 22 slabs completed, while tiling on the 8th floor is in progress. Building 42 has fully completed RCC, and tiling work is advancing on the 10th floor. With each stage of construction, Cluster 6 is bringing your future home at Mayfair Virar Gardens closer to reality. At Mayfair Virar Gardens, we're not just building homes, we're creating the future.